Hello to all our viewers. Welcome back to Nisha Lakshmi World. Hope you all are doing good. Today we bring to you one of my signature dish which is very different, and that is Haryali chicken manchuri. Typically the Manchurians are red in color. Today I wanted to share something new and different without using any food coloring, and it's green in color. So without wasting much time, let's get cooking. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified on our new videos published. The ingredients I have taken for this recipe are spinach 1½ cup, mint leaves 1/4 cup, coriander leaves 1/2 cup, 12 green chilies or according to your taste, 8 cloves of garlic, 2 inches of ginger sliced. Here I have taken boneless chicken cut into bite size around 1 kg, washed and cleaned. 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 medium sized capsicum thinly sliced, and 1 medium sized onion thinly sliced. First, to a mixer jar I should be adding in spinach, mint leaves, coriander leaves, kasuri methi 2 tablespoons, garlic, ginger and green chilies with 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and grind it to a fine paste. The ground paste is ready. It has to be slightly thick, so this helps in better coating. To this ground paste I shall be adding in 3 tablespoons of curd. And shall give it a spin so that everything combines well. Now the ground paste is ready. Now I will be marinating the chicken. By doing this, the meat tends to become soft and juicy. For that, in a large mixing bowl, I shall add an egg and whisk it thoroughly. To this, I shall be adding in ½ teaspoon of chaat masala, ½ teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of Kitchen King masala, and shall whisk it thoroughly. To this, I shall be adding in the ground masala paste and mixing it. Now I shall be adding in salt according to taste and mixing it. Now I shall be adding in the chicken pieces. And mix everything thoroughly until everything has combined well. Once everything has combined well, I shall be adding in 4 tablespoons of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Now I shall mix everything thoroughly until it's well combined. Cover the lid and allow it to marinate overnight in the fridge. Our chicken has been marinating overnight. Let's take a look on how it looks now. The chicken has beautifully coated all the masalas. I shall give it a mix once. Meanwhile, I have heated up oil in a kadai. Now that the oil is heated, I shall drop in the chicken pieces and fry them on a medium heat. and cook them until the chicken is well done. As the chicken has marinated overnight, it does not take too long to cook. Now the chicken has done. I shall be removing it from the oil. You can see how nicely the masalas have coated and it has got such beautiful green color. I shall be frying the remaining chicken pieces in the same manner. Here are the fried chicken pieces. If you do not prefer making manchuri, then you can enjoy these tasty kebabs as is. Now I shall make preparation for the manchuri. For that, in a heated pan, I have added about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Now that the oil is heated, I shall be adding in the minced garlic. Saute it for 10 to 15 seconds. Then add in the sliced onion and saute for a minute. Then add in the sliced capsicum and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I shall be adding in 3 tablespoons of green chili sauce. I am using light soya sauce here, so I will be adding in 3 tablespoons. But if you have dark soya sauce, you can use just 2 tablespoons. And shall give everything a good mix. I shall be adding in water around 2 to 3 tablespoons and mix everything well. Now I shall be adding in the fried chicken pieces. And toss it well, so that the sauce is combined well with the chicken pieces. I shall be garnishing it with some green chilies and curry leaves. So tasty and delicious chicken hara manchuri is ready to be served. This dish is really very tasty and easy to prepare. So do try out this recipe and let us know how it turned out in the comment section below. Please do give it a like and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching.